Hello and welcome to this FortiWeb video on using FortiAI-Assist. FortiAI-Assist, powered by generative AI technology, acts as an intelligent layer on top of FortiWeb. It connects to logs, system data, and threat intelligence, allowing you to interact using natural language and receive actionable insights instantly. Traditional operations often require manual investigation and deep expertise. FortiAI-Assist helps reduce that effort by automating analysis, speeding up troubleshooting, and simplifying complex configurations, so you can make faster, more informed decisions. Let's take a look at specific usage examples. FortiAI-Assist can guide administrators through configuration tasks. Instead of searching through documentation, you simply ask a question and receive clear explanations, step-by-step guidance, and actionable recommendations. FortiAI-Assist simplifies the log filtering process. Instead of manually configuring filters, you can describe what you're looking for in natural language. FortiAI-Assist then automatically opens the attack log page and applies the relevant filters. FortiAI-Assist helps you quickly identify attack trends by summarizing log data. Simply describe what you want to explore, and FortiAI-Assist presents attack statistics in a clear and easy-to-understand format. To quickly identify trends or anomalies within large volumes of log entries, you can ask FortiAI-Assist to interpret the data currently displayed on the page. FortiAI-Assist summarizes key trends, frequent sources, and notable patterns, helping administrators quickly understand the log data. If you want to understand a specific log entry, simply click Analyze with AI. FortiAI-Assist translates technical details into clear insights and recommends appropriate actions. FortiAI-Assist makes it easy to access threat intelligence. It evaluates the reputation of an IP address in real time, helping you quickly decide whether to block, monitor, or allow the traffic. You can ask FortiAI-Assist about system health at any time. It provides a real-time snapshot of key metrics like CPU, memory, and disk usage, without needing to navigate multiple dashboards. Use FortiAI-Assist for faster troubleshooting. It identifies the root cause and provides a concise explanation, eliminating the need to manually correlate metrics. FortiAI-Assist can perform a deep analysis of a specific server policy. It identifies availability issues, such as offline status or failing health checks, and provides clear remediation steps. FortiAI-Assist simplifies Lua Scripting by generating and explaining code. Even users without programming expertise can implement advanced logic. If you come across a script you don't understand, FortiAI-Assist can help. It explains the logic, highlights relevant commands, and provides examples so you can quickly understand how it works. If a script fails, you can ask FortiAI-Assist to analyze the error. It identifies the root cause, explains the issue, and provides a corrected version of the script. To enable FortiAI-Assist, go to System Admin Administrators, edit the administrator account, and enable the FortiAI user option. Thanks for watching.